It's been amazing. A lot of lessons learned. You know, I feel like all of this has just helped me grow so much as a person as well. This whole journey's been really amazing, working with TOA, bringing the cameras through to Olive MMA, throughout all the training, and then coming through here to HT in our new gym now, going through to Australia to the Pan Pacific Champs, right back to Auckland for the WKN. This whole journey, documenting all of this, has just been crazy. Winning the WKN title, going overseas to America, yeah, it's all been me. I just feel real honoured to be able to be a part of this movement. I roto I nei mahi, ko te mea nui ki au, he whakatairanga ki tēnei āhuatanga o tātou te iwi Māori, kia kore rawa mātou e whakamā i tō mātou Māoritanga. Aha kua kōwai, aha kua kihea, ki roto I ngā wheako katoa, ngā mahi katoa, me whakamana tātou I tō mātou Māoritanga. I learnt that no matter who's standing in front of you, it can't change your game plan. Every time you go into a tournament, you have a game plan. You can control that. You can't control who you're fighting, you can't control what they're going to do, you can't control who the referee is, you can't control any of that. I let the person shape my game plan. I went in with the game plan, I'm going to shoot first, I'm going to take him down, but then I went in and he was a wrestler. And then he shot first, and all of a sudden now I'm playing guard, you know? Whereas, you know, I should have not cared who he was, what he is. Just, I'm gonna go and I'm gonna take this guy down and I'm gonna impose my will on him and play my game. I'll never make the same mistake again. With all of these kupu Māori that we've come up with, we're also gonna be coming out with 14 tutorials, all in te reo Māori, and that's gonna be part 2 of TOA JIU JITSU. The majority of the mahi with the vlogs are all done now. I'm really happy with how they turned out. I can't wait for everyone to see them, but I'm even more pumped to get into these tutorials. I love Jiu-Jitsu with my whole heart, and you know, when we love something, of course, we want to share it, so I'm super excited to share my #1 passion with the motu, and I really hope we can inspire them to want to start their Jiu-Jitsu journey, just to inspire our Māori people to get moving, to upskill in self-defense, you know, to keep themselves and their family safe. I think it's just an all-round win-win situation. I want to give a big mihi to, of course, my papa. You know, he got me into this. He forced me a little bit, but he showed me the beauty of martial arts and stuff from a young age. So, yeah, first and foremost, I have to give a big mihi to him. Yeah, if it wasn't for Steve, I wouldn't be here to be able to come halfway across the world and have a place that I can call a second home over here. Yeah, so if it wasn't for him, none of this would be possible. And then, yeah, lastly, to Johnny and all the crew at Alliance for making me feel at home. And I want to give a big mihi to TOA for, you know, all the mahi they've done. You know, I've never done anything like this, so they've really helped me throughout this whole process. And also a big mihi to Te Māngai Pāho for funding all of this and, you know, making this dream come true. E kore ngā mihi e ngu kia koutou.